Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make barbecue sauce for wings using an easy method. We'll start by combining a few pantry staples to create a flavorful base. This simple approach ensures a delicious sauce without complicated steps. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up a batch that tastes amazing on your favorite wings. Let's get cooking. First, in a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Stir everything together until it's completely smooth and the sugar has dissolved. This forms the delicious foundation of your sauce. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, after you've enjoyed those delicious wings, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making post-meal tidying a breeze. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your ingredients are well combined, place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. As soon as it starts to bubble, reduce the heat to low. Let the sauce simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This slow simmer allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken to the perfect consistency for coating wings. After simmering, taste your barbecue sauce. This is your chance to customize it. You might want to add a pinch more salt, a dash of black pepper, or even a little cayenne pepper for some heat. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon of water. If too thin, simmer a few more minutes. Once perfected, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. It's now ready for your wings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.